Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Calendly to create deals in Pipedrive. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Calendly account. Navigate to the integrations section in the left sidebar. Scroll down to find Pipedrive in the list of available integrations. Click on the Pipedrive integration option. You'll be prompted to connect to your Pipedrive account. If you are not logged into Pipedrive, enter your credentials to log in. Grant Calendly permission to access your Pipedrive account. Once connected, you will see configuration options. Select the Pipedrive pipeline where you want to create deals. You can choose to set a default stage for new deals if desired. Next, customize the deal name that will be created from the Calendly event. Consider including the invitee's name or the event type for clarity. You can also add other merge fields that relate to your event or invitee. Now, define additional deal properties as required by your Pipedrive setup. This might include tags or custom fields relevant to your business process. Once you have tailored the settings, click on the Add Integration button. Confirm the integration by checking for a success message. Return to your Calendly event types and select the event you want to connect. Within the event settings, look for Pipedrive under the Notifications and Workflows section. Enable the feature to create a deal in Pipedrive for this event type. Save your changes to the event settings. To test the integration, schedule a new event through your Calendly link. After completing the event, check your Pipedrive account. Look for the newly created deal reflecting the event details you configured. If everything looks correct, your integration is successfully set up. You are now ready to manage your scheduling and sales processes more efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.